Hello all. Okay, so I'm back. It's been about 2 weeks since I bleached my hair. I haven't noticed any breakage or anything falling out or anything like that. So I'm going to move on to step 2. Now, I did decide in an attempt to save some of my hair, I'm not going to re-bleach areas except for the front. So sorry, there's a fly in here. So I am going to lighten this part. And then there's another little section, you're not going to be able to see it, but it's in the back that it was kind of missed. Okay, so these are the 2 pieces that I'm going to lighten a little bit more, and just probably halfway up or so. I also pulled out little pieces that I just like randomly picked, and I'm going to go over these because it's not balanced. It's not the same level of lightness on this side as it is on this side. And then I picked a couple of little spots on the back and the top, just because there were some areas that had little patches of darkness. I don't know if you can see them, but there's only a few. So this is not going to be a whole redo. I just wanted to show you what I did. This area I'm not touching at all, so I just put it in a little knot. And the back part that I'm not touching, actually I may grab one other piece back here. This area looks kind of dark. So I may grab one other piece and then I'm going to knot this up as well. Anyway, I'm going to do 15 minutes total this time. I'm going to take the little metal clips out that I used to separate the pieces that I wanted to do, and then I'm going to get started. I forgot my gloves, so I'm gonna have to use my dishwashing gloves. All right, let's see, it is 3:18. Should have put both of them on. So I decided to straighten my hair about 2 days ago, and I realized that I didn't show you guys how it looked straight. The color in the front that was supposed to be so much lighter ended up not really being that much lighter. I'm not sure why. It's a little lighter, if you can see it, but I thought it was going to be like blonde, and it's still not. But I'm not doing a third one. I'm fine with this. So that was that, and then this is the rest of it. I hope you can. So I probably won't straighten it anymore for the rest of the summer. I have to assume that it's been weakened, and I don't want to put a whole lot of heat on it and wind up losing my hair. So I'm going to just be easy for the rest of the summer and just wear it in its natural state and see how it goes. But this is it.